Everybody, today is I have no clue. It's a Saturday, the 18th, October 18th. Today we are doing the rock lights, but I gotta do laundry because I have nothing. But yeah, we're gonna do rock lights today. Should take almost all day, if not all day. Oh, that was the roof. Yeah, anyways, I will get back to you guys when I get outside. Okay, we have it all ready. I had to unravel everything. So I'll kind of show you the layout, the idea I have. So I'm shooting, before I forget that, I'm shooting for 2 in each wheel well, 3 under the doors, two in the back, and then 2 underneath the truck. So as you can tell, I've got them all laid out. I have one installed I did already. So it's just gonna go here. Another one's probably gonna go back here somewhere. But yeah, let's get this party started. Okay, so we got one side done. So I got both in the wheel wells. Wait, where is it? Right there and right there, and then all underneath. You might be able to see the wires hanging. Right there, and then back there. We've got 2 in the rear. So 1 and then 2. Can't really see. Maybe. I don't really know. 1. Yeah, you can. And then back there, you can see the wires. Maybe back there, I don't know. There, and then somewhere way over there. So we got one side done. I just got to do this whole side, and then the front, and then down the middle, underneath the truck, and then wire. And the wiring's gonna be the longest part. But yeah, anyways, shout out SoCal Built, hooked me up with a sick ass sticker. Come on, right there, and then that one. Hold on. That one too. Yeah. Go hit them up. They got clothing, stickers. I'm zoomed in. Clothing, stickers. I'm not wearing one of their shirts right now. Both of them that I have are in their laundry in the washer right now. And then they host meets occasionally. This is in SoCal, unfortunately, but it's whatever. It's still fun. Meets out here are kind of cool because it's all like hypercars, and not hyper, but like Lamborghinis and Paganis, a couple Bugattis. So yeah, I think there's a meet this weekend, but I totally forgot about it, and I woke up at 10:30. I was like, I'm not going anyways. I wanted to sleep in. I got home late last night. I was out fishing with some friends, and then watched some movie or watched some YouTube, and then yeah. So yep. Anyways, well, I'm gonna get to these few that I have. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 more to do, and then there's these 2 right here. I'm debating, I don't know, I might be able to put 1 in the front instead of having 2 in the front, because I mean, one's bright enough, and I might be able to do 3 down the middle. Or I'm also thinking about putting 2 underneath the grill, so it'll light up the grill. So we'll see where I go. But yeah, anyways, it's like 5 o'clock. Everything's mounted and ran. I have not wired. As you can tell, it's almost sunset, and once it's sunset, it's dark. So I'm gonna clean up while I can and finish this tomorrow afternoon. It's supposed to rain tomorrow morning, but it said it'll be done by around 1-ish. I have church till 12 anyways, so I'll finish it up tomorrow afternoon. Just wiring, it shouldn't take too long, probably 2 hours. I've been very lazy today, I'll be honest. I've been on my phone, I think, more than I have been actually working on this thing. I'm exhausted. I've had a crazy ass week. So yeah, but I have an idea. I'm gonna go do some cool. I'm gonna try. I have laundry. I'm supposed to be done in 40 minutes, and then I got to shower and stuff. So, but I have a really cool idea for this. Sunset's not till 6:30. It's like 5:30. I might have enough time to get this done, but I also have golden hour too. So, we'll see. Feeling this bitch. Oh shit. Hey guys, today I don't even know. My buddy texted me and was like, yo, come to this location. It's like, alright, fuck it. That's Gabe Farrell's. Yeah, look. There's Gabe. I'm gonna go right behind you. Ew.
Blow it up. No, it's not blown up. Oh, okay.
Yeah, earlier I walked right into those. Sorry. We can full any level lift on it. Yeah. And then there's this thing. Okay, I'm eye level and I'm like 6 foot. I'm looking at the frame. Frame plate, that's kind of sick. Yeah. Absolute insane. And here, let's go inside.
So it's like you didn't praise it. We're like, I'm gonna play this song. Let's go!
today, I have no clue what today's date is. But last night, I went to a car meet. It was Gabe Farrell's pre-meet. I kind of opened on that. Filmed a little bit, kind of forgot to film, was taking more pictures. And then today I was like, oh, I want to go film some videos and pictures and stuff like that. And then I looked up like the prices of to get in. I was like, it's a little steep. So I'm like, all right, I'll go, screw it. I'm gonna be there in like 10 minutes. I really want this truck to get up here. It's, yeah. You guys might be able to see the, not really. Yeah. It's huge. I have no words for it. It's just massive. But, yeah, I was supposed to be doing rock lights today, but I said screw. I think sounds good. I said screw it and decided to go to this. Well, actually, I said screw it. I'm gonna go film, and then after film, I said, or when I got there, I forgot a cable that I needed because I was gonna actually use my drone for once. Forgot that cable, so then I was like, all right, well, going to Best Buy. And then went to Best Buy, looked up how close I was like an hour away. I was like, all right, screw it, I'll go. So yeah, very spontaneous decision of me because I was like, I don't want to go last night. But like, these are the builds that are gonna be there. It's all those stupid builds, you can't really tell. But yeah, so anyways, well, I will get back with you guys once I am closer to the meet and see more trucks. Holy fuck.
To the beanpole games in the magazines, you ain't it, this thing. Give me a sister, can't resist her. Red beans and rice, then miss her. Some knucklehead tried to diss, cause his girls are on my list. He had game, but he chose to hit him. And I pull up quick to get rid of him. So ladies, if the back is round, then you want to mix a lot. And keep your nasty thoughts, baby, I
Oh shit!
Once you do that, then I'll see he put the shit. One more, Bryce. That wastegate opens, that turbo kicks in, that's it. Hell yeah, Bryce! Yeah, Bryce!